goes a little something like.
I'm Kitty Love. I'm Fairy Rainbow.
And I'm Unicorn Dream.
Hey guys, it's me Kitty and no new unicorn in this video, but she is here editing the video. Say hi, unicorn.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. You're fairy, not unicorn. Anyways, say hi. Hi. Today I'm rating my fidgets. Just get right into my hard shell fidgets. They're quite poppy. I really like it. The colour, it's kind of brown, but I will rate this a. The colour's kind of brown with all of the colours, but I would still rate it an 8 because I really like it. Okay, so this is my other hard shell puppet. I really like it, and I'll rate that probably 7. Okay, this puppet I really like. One of my favourites, 10 out of 10. This popsicle is really cute, and the pops are actually really good if you take a moment to listen. See, that one, 10 out of 10 as well. This one is also a 10 out of 10 because it has really nice pops. And these two are just like, no, all of the fidgets I've done so far are all my favourites. Let's get to like the homemade fidgets. Squishies. Like maybe one day I can review, like show you how to make them, but just not in this video. Yeah, we'll do a tutorial tomorrow. So these are my, what are they called again? I keep on forgetting. De-enable, yeah. De-enable and then, yeah, I got a Texas one and this one. This one definitely is a 8 out of 10. And this one is, I think it should be a 4. Let's get all of my pop shoes. Get prepared for a loud moment. I love them. 8 out of 10. We have got Wacky Track number 1. I can't get this back on. Okay, Wacky Track. I love Wacky Tracks so much. You can make so many shapes.
We're going downstairs.
See? And like they make a lovely clicking noise. Okay, so I rate this 9 because I've been wanting them for absolutely ages. This puppet right here, I would rate it probably a 5. I don't like it. This puppet bag, I actually really like. I like it, but I don't like it because it don't pop. It just pops right up, but at least it pops. So I'll give that a 6. This, oh my god, I love it. It's one of my biggest puppets. I love dimples. This was my first ever dimple, so this is why it's special to me. The pops are absolutely incredible. Is it just me or do you like popping the little bits? Crab popping. I really like it, and I'm sure you guys would like it too. And a simple dimple. I like the colours, and it comes with a chain, so you can take it anywhere. Like I'll put it on my shirt right now. You can take it to school, and like play with it at break. Okay, this, it may not seem like a good fidget, but it is for anger. So, oh my god, I didn't rate my dimples. My dimples, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay, this one I rate a 5 because it's not that good, but when you're angry, it is good. Also, I forgot to do this one. This one's my best squishy. I really like it. They're starting to pile up on my desk. Okay, this one, definitely a 7. But I'll rate this one the same too. This one I love so much. Defo 10. Oops, sorry guys. Even get me started on this one. 3. This one. Oops. One I will rate. It's ripped. I will rate it a 2 because it is ripped and it literally came ripped. Infinity Cube. Lovely. Nice for long car rides. 5. I like it. Wacky Track number 2. Yeah. Same, which is, I think it was 7. No, I think it was 9 or something. Tangle, definitely 10. I love Tangle so much. Fidget spinners. I know they look a bit weirder. I've got 2 green ones and a red one. Christmassy, but I'm just gonna, for demonstration, use the pink one. I rate the fidget spinners a 8 because, yeah, you know, it's one of the originals. Oh geez. This, it smells horrible. This 5 odd dimple spinner. No, 10. Mochis. 2. I don't like them. Bike chain, I would probably like a 4.
Monkey noodles?
Monkey noodle, probably for monkey noodle 4. This I would rate like 5. This is a ASMR, whatever it's called.
ASMR pod.
That's not a pod, but yeah, ASMR stick. That is probably 3. I don't like it. This fidget cube, probably like 2. This is a 2. I don't like it. It's small pod. This was one of my first ever fidgets, so definitely 10. Fidget cube, I would probably rate 5. I like it. This, I would probably rate 4. Probably like 3 because look, it just doesn't go down. You have to push it. This, like, 8. Then this, I would rate, I have enough one of these. I would rate it a 8. And this, I really like it and it's so cute, so I will rate it a 5.
Make sure to leave a
like and subscribe. Peace out.